versus a man of honor, Heart of Abu Amigas on the outside parties. So enduring Dinalupian comes next alongside Pax Britannica, Never Say Goodbye, Soulmate. And trailing the group is Naga, Heart of a Bull, running by Andrea Amigas on the outside. Partas Dinalupian, so enduring, moving up by Andrea. Then followed now by Never Say Goodbye, Man of Honor, Pax Britannica, Soulmate, and Naga is still racing last, and still Heart of a Bull by about 2.5 lengths. Amiga, so enduring Dinalupian, Partas, Pax Britannica in 6, Never Say Goodbye 7, Man of Honor, Soulmate, and Naga is still racing in last with Heart of a Bull by about 3 lengths. Amiga, so enduring, now moving up by the round to take second. Then Dinalupian in fourth, Pax Britannica running by Brally Spartas. And it's still Heart of a Bull, Amiga still in second. And so enduring Pax Britannica as they come down at the last 150. Heart of a Bull by about 4 lengths. Amiga is so enduring is down on the inside. But it's still Heart of a Bull. So enduring now to take second. Entering the finish line, it's Heart of a Bull. So enduring Pax Britannica, then comes Amiga, Never Say Goodbye, Partas, Dinalupian.
At ayan po bayang karevista, nakikita nyo from gate to wire, numero 5, Heart of the Bull. Yan po ang ating unofficial winner dito sa ating race number 5. Na segundo nga dyan, numero 2, na si So Endearing. Sunundan niya ng